Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to a new Precious Plastic video. In today's video of our Kenya series, I am handing over to extrusion master Manduku.
Hey everyone, I'm Manduku Michael from Precious Plastic Kisii, Kenya.
And Manduku is going to show you step by step how he makes his really cool recycled plastic chicken fence. Let's go.
I'm going to show you how we make the chicken fence with the HDP plastic and the machine and also the mold. In my mold, I used a metal. You need to cut your metal piece into 90 degrees diagonals, so that you can be able to rotate the plastics while it's coming from the extrusion machine. You need to put some small plastics on the mold, which will eventually be helping you to hold the plastic. You must have like 4 or 5 molds. So when you are working with this one is already cooling. We have our strings here ready for weaving. Start like this, you attach one to the other, then you start doing like this, weaving like this. You turn like this upside down, then you weave. So after having this first string, you can decide to do as many as you can this way. Then you combine with one string. Or you can still now work directly like this. It's very easy, but it will depend with your hand how faster you can. It took me like 6 months doing prototypes, doing some trials, some measurements until we have this. It's fun, doing it this way. You have to do it more and more, then you gain the experience. So when you have like 2 strings left, now you can have the 3 pieces same size to combine the other one. Maybe you have already weaved another chicken fence. So somebody wants like 10 meters and you have already 5 meters. So you need to weave like this, then you combine, you join them. So joining needs like 3 pieces or 2 pieces or 1 piece. Depending with the ending of this, mostly they don't rhyme. We are now joining the already made piece. So it's already combined, but the challenge is the ending of this plastic. How it will join, how it will combine. Like this one, now you need this angle to be the same. So this one will make a straight line. So you need to push this thing. That is it. If I do this way, this is it. This is how you make it, and you can make your chicken houses and many more.
Alright, so that's it from Manduku and Precious Plastic Kisi. You will find his tutorials on the community platform. And obviously, if there's anyone who copies this technique or gets it as inspiration for something in a similar direction, make sure you let us know and share your creation with us so we can get inspired again and be happy about sharing all this knowledge and inspiration. Otherwise, just make sure you stay tuned for the next cool recycling stories in Kenya. And if you feel inspired today and really like what we do and want to make sure that we can continue this, make sure you head over to our Patreon community and join us. But either way, have a good day and see you in the next video.
I think you enjoyed watching the video.